Guys, now I'm taking a video of my sister playing Roblox Lego building, and she already made a little bit progress, so let's do it. Let's watch her. Okay, what's this one? The thing that has a yellow, you need to get it. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, it's there. What's this? Just put it. Alright. Now let's continue building. I can fly, guys. See? Yeah, because she turned on the fly button. Wait, guys. You need to hit the like button and subscribe to the video. And hit the notifications bell so you won't miss any of our videos. I got it. Alright. This is actually my mom's laptop again. This is not my laptop. There. Jump. I got it. Guys, this looks like H. How is she lifting everything? Alright, put it there. Put it there to shopping. Everyone is flying. This goes to 11 minutes. We will end it. Yeah. Now let's get that one. Alright, you got a window? Yeah. I'll put that here. Let's see what this is. Why is it getting brighter? Sorry guys if it's too bright. Let me lower it. There we go. They said that's okay. No. It's too bright. They cannot even see. I cannot even see it. Okay, just bright. Just lower. There we go. Roof. Okay, we got a roof. Oh. On the scooter again. What? I cannot see. Yeah. Oh, okay. That looks like a cloud / pink leaves. And you're almost done when you put it there. You're done. Yay, fireworks. Yay, fireworks. I'm done with everyone. Now, go to the next one. Over there. Just wait for your $5. Because it needs $5 and you have 0. Wait until someone gets some $5. He's gonna give you $5. $5. Yes. Come on, push it. Yeah, I got a lot of things. It's a carriage. Carriage? You need to get a unicorn. Hey, I'm just sticking at the unicorn. Unicorn is the balik. Hey, go. What? There's another thing. Ouch. Hey, my dog is just annoying. Let me pause the video. Okay, as I closed the door, she was making a little bit progress. Hey guys, in the next video, I will video my sister playing TOH/Tower of HELL. What's that game? It's Tower of Hell. Okay. We're not gonna end it yet. Yeah, because it's 6 minutes, not 10 minutes yet. Yeah, but it's almost, we're gonna end it. Yeah. It's almost gonna end it. Let's see if we can reach 50 likes to reveal my whole name. Or even just 13 subscribers, I will reveal my name. Where should we put this? I'm not sure. Where should we put this? Guys, where should we put this? Sorry if you see this. That's actually what my sister needs. That's for her school. Where do you put it? Oh, this way. I need more. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay, I got the heavy thing. Oh, sorry, I snot. I just need... Also, I live in Philippines. Also, this is our dogs. I already revealed them. Look at that. See, they're just fighting. Their name is Hunter and Puchola. This is Puchola. And Hunter. He's friendly. Hello. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. As I was saying, we're almost at 10 minutes. Let's go. Put this here. Put it. Go a little bit higher. I cannot do this. Over there. Yeah. They're giving you a lot of money. Uh-oh. I got 85,000. No, that's 1,185. Just continue. I need a wheel. Wheel. Right there. Here, a vehicle. So if you hear that noises, they're fighting. Next is the last one. But there's more. Yeah, it's almost 10 minutes. It's 9 minutes. It's 9:35. Okay, so we're almost ending the video. Okay. After 10 seconds, we're gonna end the video. Alright, guess it's ending time, but also don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notifications bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Bye bye. Bye bye.